More money is lost waiting for a recession than actually in the recession itself. Coming into the year, people were off sides. They didn't believe in the AI story. They front ran a recession that never took place. Now we see that the data is normalizing. The Fed is hopefully going to normalize rates soon. AI is a secular trend. People call it the next electricity. We haven't seen anything yet in terms of AI. The government printed $5 trillion. All that money went into big stocks, big balance sheets, big moats, big everything. Inflation has really come back to where it was. I pulled some data from 2019 about PCE, inflation, and unemployment. It's kind of back in that range where we were between 2017 and 2019.
John Spallanzani, family office portfolio manager, suggests the same market crash narrative continues to influence investors out of stocks. Although the market is up over 50% since the October 22 low, 25% in 23, and so far 14% in 24. We're in a bull market, so stay bullish. His thesis is simple. The AI narrative is barely beginning, which means more capex, more trickle-down earnings, all while PCE inflation is normalizing, making rate cuts a bullish event.
So basically, everything is normalized except the Fed. So we're not making rate cuts to ease. We're actually making rate cuts to normalize. And we have the Bank of Canada cutting rates. We have the ECB cutting rates. We have the Swiss National Bank cutting rates. And the Fed is doing nothing.
Spallanzani's soft landing depends on how soon the Fed cuts rates, which creates two bull market scenarios. The softer the data, the more likely the Fed cuts sooner, and interest rate sensitive sectors like small caps move higher along the way. The stronger the data, the more likely cuts are pushed out and mega caps continue higher. This is because mega caps have huge cash piles that yield more interest than it takes to service their debts. They actually benefit from higher rates, so the bull market continues for them.
We still see regional banks, KRE still under 50. We see Russell struggling. Why? Because they need cuts.